Hi everyone, welcome back to DIY Challenge. If you're new to my channel, please like, share, and subscribe so that you can be notified when I have new videos. We will need the following supplies for this project. We start with building the base. Next is the base for the cross. Next, simply take the cross and glue it to the base. After applying the wood filler and letting it dry, it's time to sand. Now it's time to paint. I chose a chalk wax brown paint. Now for the details, I add the charm. I also added a Bible verse that worked well with the charm and believe. I added some beads to give it some complementary colors. And this is how it turned out. I absolutely love it. We will need the following supplies for this project. It's time to build the base and the steps for this project. To add the cross, I simply put the cross between two of the tumbling blocks. It was time to paint the cross. I wanted to use white and teal, as you can see here, but later on you'll see I changed my mind and changed it to a whitewash brown color. It just seemed to go a little bit better with this project. But of course you can paint it any color you want. And as you can see, I started with some dark brown, and I also added the wood filler and then let it dry and then sanded it down. Here it is with the teal and white and the brown base. It was okay, but not what I was looking for. I somehow lost the footage, but this is what I ended up with. I used white paint to give it more of a whitewash, and as you can see, I did change the color of the cross and it just looked much better. I hope you enjoyed today's projects. I hope it inspired you to make your own. I'll see you in the next video.